Hello and welcome to Spiffy. In this tutorial, we're going to go over the locations as well as the employees tab. So let's start with locations tab. The locations tabs will show you all the locations that are added within your business. So you can see here I have location A, B, and C, and I can even create a new location if I'd like by simply clicking on create a new location, and then I can key in the location name, address, city, postal code, and selecting the company and province. And if I want to add a manager who would be managing that location, I can simply select it from the drop-down list. Or I can go back to locations and actually view the current locations that are already listed on my business. And I can click on view option to see all the employees that are in the location as well as the managers who are managing that location, along with the location name and address on the right-hand side. Let's move on to the employees tab. The employees list would list all the employees that are on your team as well as all the pending invites. Starting from left to right, we look at within the employees list, we have the list of all the employees currently in our business. We have their information such as their first name, their last name, locations they're part of, role tags that they have selected, and then we have the option to either view their full profile or even delete that record. So when we click on view, it will show us all the information that we need for a specific employee. So we see Duke Silver is a part of location A when they started it, and we can even click at change their roles that they're a part of. So we can either delete the role that they're part of, and we can at the same time assign new roles to them. Now, going back to the employees tab, on the right hand side we have the pending invites. This would be the list of all the people who are yet to accept their invitation. In order to invite an employee, you have two different options. You can either select invite employee, and you can send them an email or a text message invite. Simply add in their name, their last name, along with their email address or phone number in case we're sending a phone number. Once we've done that, select on invite, and it will send them an invitation, and the pending invites list would update itself. However, if you have more than one employee that you want to invite, you can click on Invite from CSV, which will give you an idea of how to invite employees from a CSV. You can download an email template or a phone number template, depending on what information you have on your employees. And then once you download the template and open it and pre-populate the information, you can then choose the file, and then whether it being an email template or a text message template, you add that and select invite. And that will populate the pending invitations. Well, that's that for locations and employees tab. Should you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us.